Okay, it will have some version. Okay, it will have some version. Those versions are stored in the rule set versions. Okay, this is a rule set version. This contains a code. Okay. Don't get confused. What I'm trying to say is, like in Pega, everything is rules, right? Rules. It may be a data transform, it may be a section, it may be a property, it may be a report. Definition. Whatever you take, everything is called a rule. Okay, container of rules is a container. Container of rules is a rule set. Container of rules is a rule set. You understand. Now container of rules is a rule set. Here our rule set name is Gogoroad. Gogoroad contains the first version. This is the first version. Gogoroad first version. This contains 281 rules. You can see this Gogoroad version contains 281. Now, if you see here, this section is present in Gogoroad 010101 version. Okay, Gogoroad 010101 version and the code is checked in. You can see the checkout option means the code is already locked. You cannot make a modification to the code. You understand. A code is already locked. Now, if you want to make any modifications to the screen, okay, this is one section. Section is nothing but UI component. If you want to make any modifications to the screen, you need to check out this code. Okay, if you check out, let me click on checkout. If you click on checkout, this will be coming to your personal rule set. Okay, personal rule set in the sense your personal checkout. I have checked out this rule. I have checked out this rule. Now you see, there is a check-in option. Check-in option. Now let's think you have made some modifications to the rule. Okay, let's think you have made some modifications to the rule and you have saved it. And you have saved it. Now the changes are only applicable to you. Okay, the changes are only applicable to you unless you have checked in the code. Suppose I have made some changes to the rules. Suppose I have deleted the street. Okay, the street I have deleted. And I haven't checked it. I haven't checked it. Now these changes are only visible for my operator ID. Okay, this will be in a personal. This will be in a personal rule set. Okay, every operator will be having one personal rule set that is called an operator ID. Our operator ID is our rule set. You can see here. Click on this one. Click on the profile. Don't get confused. It's a very simple topic, like continue see. First one is my personal rules. See the heading is rule set. My operator ID is my rule set. Okay, first of all, the precedence will take from this like this. This is the priority. First the rules will get executed, which is present in my rule set. And from here it will get executed in the Google Road rules. Now, if something is in my check-in, If suppose something is in my checkout. You can see all my checkout rules by here. If you click on this blue tick mark is there. Right. If you click on this blue tick mark, you can see all my checked out rule. See, this section is in my checkout. Okay, this section is in my checkout. In a sense, I am modifying. I'm making some changes. Then I should keep that in my checkout. Now let's think I have made some changes to the rule. I have saved it and I have actually tested it. Then I think it is working fine. Okay. I think like it is working fine, then I will check in. Once I have checked in, then the code changes will be reflected to all the operators. See, whenever I'm making a development, I will check out the rule. Okay. Once the development is done, I will save it and I will test it. These changes are only visible to me. All operators cannot see the changes because this rule is in my checkout. If you discard the changes, all the changes will be removed. It will go to the previous version. How actually it was? See, this is checkout. The checkout was done by some other operator. If you go to history, see sections will take some time to load. See last updated by some other. Other in. This is a cloud edition. So everything will be in other name only on 4th September. This is a cloud instance. This is a general student version. So everything will be. If suppose you have made some code check in code changes you have done, then you will get your name here. Last updated by your name. Checkout is like your personal version. Like, if you have clicked on checkout, this rule will come to your personal rules. Okay, then you can make a development like development. You can do changes you can do. If you click on checkout, it will see. Now it has become into my personal version. Now suppose I have deleted street here. This is a table. Okay, suppose I have deleted street column. Delete column. I have deleted street. Now I have saved it. Now this tree will not be visible, only for my operator. Because that is what the change I have made. Suppose I thought that is a correct change. Okay, that is a correct change, as per the requirement. Now there is a requirement to remove street, not only for sections. I'm telling for all the rules. It will be in checkout status. Only suppose if I open any data transforms, that thing also will be having this checkout. If you see few rules will be in private edit. What does that mean? Let me tell you, see, this rule is in private. Edit means this particular rule set is locked. Okay, let me tell you, you have developed a piece of code. Okay. Now that code was moved to some higher version, like some, it is there in production. Okay, how we will move the code to production is like, you will lock this rules that you have this lock and save right will lock this rule set and what you will do. It will ask for some password. Okay, after you locking the rules You will open our new rules at version like go, 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 go. Like go, go road. 010102. Batch version will be next version. C010102. Now, if you create this one, it will create one more rule set in the below. Now you have to ideally lock the previous rules it before creating a new rules it so that it will show you private edit. Okay, if it is showing private editing means you are the rules. It is locked. If it is showing a check out the rules, it is unlocked simple.